note down this one, it should be there. Because without baseline, ad-hoc site won't work.
Yeah. You must have it. I want this date and time. Without that, you cannot operate the plant. Plant is a big operator.
No, you don't construct any
Yeah.
site.
So, is there any change in environment or no?
No. No, because it is a ready construction activity.
Yeah.
The project is ready to project is ready to construction activity. We are not doing any operation.
Yeah. Are there any environmental sensitivity? No.
No. Yeah, okay, this is okay.
It's okay.
This part of existing project is within that existing.
Yeah.
When
When
it
the
is a part of existing project. The project is within ad-hoc area. Project local site or project site is within.
what about this criteria, right?
No, it is existing facility. They are not part of existing facility. Our facility is totally new.
Acha, the project is under.
Second statement is okay.
The project is under?
Project is within. Project site is within ad-hoc area.
Within. This is correct, right?
Project site. Project location.
Correct?
Yeah.
When the project construction, operation, decommissioning involve the action will cover the physical changes in the local law. There is no potential physical changes, topography and landwater, correct?
Yeah.
So now this will go because this further project.
Shore piping. If you remove that, they are not changing anything about it.
Correct?
No. Yeah.
Any of it involved clearing vegetation?
No.
I know, but you have vegetation?
I'm asking that.
Yeah. Because they may have some trees, some bushes.
No vegetation in this area.
No bushes, nothing, huh?
Yeah,
No,
nothing.
nothing, right on the side.
Nothing. It is because it is a waterlogged area. That's where the subka is there.
No BU, SHT bushes.
No, see, down some, no, nothing.
Okay, fine. Any activity logs of the native species? No. Natural resource? No.
They will use the natural resources.
Yeah, natural resource, we have soil for backfilling. It is being used now.
Yeah, you are using soil also, you are using
Okay.
water also, you are using.
So water I remove, only soil. Right?
Soil, water,
Water here. No water.
material, you use water, you are drinking water you are using, right?
That is, I mean, water is, say, for example, if you are using extracting water from the ground for the process, then drinking water is okay.
Which are non-renewable in a short supply. It is not renewable.
Yeah.
Of course, energy, fuel we are using now.
Resources and energy.
Yeah.